I'm Anne Cantor, and I'm absolutely thrilled to be able to offer a series of toolbox top-ups for the Transpersonal Soul Space. And I'm offering them to students and graduates with the aim of increasing your repertoire, the tools you can use in therapy. When you're thinking about whether to invest money in doing these processes, it's really important to think about it as these are important tools for your kit. Just like a tradesman has to buy a whole series of tools, they're going to use them. They're not going to sit there and they're not going to be some vague theory. They're actually going to be the things that you'll be using. So it's really valuable to realise that what you're getting with these toolbox top-ups, you're going to actually be using with your clients and be able to charge them for. So that's something to consider.